Welcome to Twisted Tree Mangers, where we build a nativity scene one piece at a time. I'm Paul, and today I'm working on post holes and carving them out, chiseling them out. And the first thing to do, of course, is to measure and mark. And so I'm making this video before I carve everything out so you can see where I've marked where I want the post holes to be. And this is kind of, they call it strip footing, where this is a continuous footing for a wall. That's a new term I learned. The footing, of course, is you set your walls and your posts in concrete, and in this case, super glue simulates the concrete, and it's wonderful. It's great. The challenge with this process is making sure that the hole is the same depth and that it's smooth, level, because you want it to be able to, you don't know how important things being square and plumb is until you get later in the process and you find out how dependent everything is on being square and plumb. And so that's the challenge here. And the tool of the day is chisels. They are awesome. In this case, I use this big one to punch the hole, and so I use a hammer and I punch each edge. It's very important because if you don't, then you can actually splinter the whole piece. So you make a chisel around the edge. And then I use a smaller one to actually start cutting through the layers. And the material of the day is this board here. It has great substrates, and so you're able to cut each layer, cut away each layer nicely. And so that's great. So anyway, the next thing I'll do is start sorting through the barnwood, and also I'll distress my poles and posts and just antique them, finish them, put some dyes and pigments on it. And there's some wonderful dyes and pigments that I'll use to help make it look antique and old and authentic. So, all right, that's this one. One more step to Bethlehem and the birth of Jesus.